this chatbot is available here. I can simply ask any question that I want related to the website. What is the best post price? So you will get the response back here. In this video, I'll show you how we can have the AI-powered chatbot for your website to give the response to the customers or visitors and so on. So here is the new workflow that I have created. You can simply click on the new workflow. I'll just show you that. So click here to create and workflow. And once you create it, the first step is to add the chat trigger. So I'll be clicking here and adding the chat trigger. This chat trigger is added now, and I will not do anything. I'll just simply click here, and now I'll start adding the AI agent who will be responsible to give the response to the users. I'll be simply adding AI agent here. Here, I'll be using conversational agent for the time being. And then I'll be connecting chat model. Right now, I'll be using Google Gemini chat model here. And this Google Gemini chat model, I'll be using 2.0 Flash experimental. Here, I'll be connecting memory. You can have the Windows buffer memory also, or you can use with Postgres. So I'll be using Postgres chat memory. So depending upon how you have done the installation. And I'll not be connecting any tool because this is the conversational agent and Gemini is not supporting the tools right now. So I'll be keeping it simple. Right now, it will be giving the general answers to your queries, but you can, of course, define your own conversation here. So if you go here, define below, you can, of course, provide the system prompt and user prompt. So system prompt will help the agent to understand that what exactly it has to answer. If I start chatting with it right now, so if I click on chat, hello, so it will be, of course, giving general response directly coming from the Gemini. You can see here, hello, how can I help you today? Now, of course, this response is general response. This is not from your website. This is not from your services that you're offering. You can define all those services here. So let me pin this so that this will be saved here. So output from this is saved here. So I'll be going here to AI agent and I will tell the AI agent what exactly you have to do. So I'll be just using define below, and here I click on expression and then expand this and paste that here. So this is how I have added the system prompt. So you are an AI assistant designed to provide concise and informative response and so on. So this complete detail is there. This could be about your company. You can mention that what exactly response you want to give to customers. Of course, it will be conversation. You have to just add the guideline here. And you can see here down, I have added user prompt, and user prompt is coming from the chat input. You can see here, you can simply drag and drop from the previous node, simply drag and drop here. And this is now chat input. Now, what has happened that the response right now will be coming not a general response. It will be the response that I expected. I will just say here, chatbot for website. So I activate this also in case I want to use it now. So I will be simply clicking save, click on chat and test the response. So I will say what is guest post guideline. So it will be giving the guest post guideline directly from the AI agent. You can see here, email address is also added. Now, in order to add this agent to the website, what I'll do, I'll double click this and I'll go to make chat publicly available. I'll enable this option. So you will see here that the URL will appear here, and you can also have the hosted chat or embedded chat. Now, once this hosted chat is available here, you can simply copy this chat URL and you can paste it just to check. So you will see simply this particular chat agent, which will be available here. And I will say, what services do you offer? So of course, the response is, so this is how now agent is ready. This can be now integrated to your website, depending upon what type of websites are there. So if you go to the chat node here, and in chat node, if instead of hosted, you can have the embedded chat. So the moment you click embedded chat, you can see here that follow these instructions. I'll click those instructions. You can simply use the CDN embed if you want to embed this particular script. So what you will do, you will simply copy this And instead of this webhook URL, which is mentioned here, you will simply replace it with your own webhook. So your webhook is available, of course, inside chat URL here. You'll be simply copying this. And just for the example, I'll show you. This is our webhook URL. You'll be simply copying this, the existing URL here. Now, this is your code that you need to add into the footer of your website. Once you have logged into your website, this is right now WordPress. So I'm using code snippet here. So depending upon what type of code snippet you are using, so you will be clicking there, header and footer. You will come into footer and you will simply paste this into footer. The moment you paste it into footer, save the changes and just go to, now you can see here that this chatbot is available here. I can simply ask any question that I want related to the website. So you will get the response back here. See, this is how it works. I have provided the details in the description. You can simply use this and connect it to your website. Hope you like this video. See you next video. Take care and goodbye.